Today the quality inspector will take us to see how to do product quality inspection. In the process of producing the products, our technicians will randomly check the products to ensure the production quality. Before shipment, quality inspectors will randomly select products to check product quality. Quality inspectors in the quality inspection room will randomly select products to check the quality of the products and whether the degree of resistance to shaking, falling and pressure after packaging meets the requirements. After various quality control machine tests, the inspection of the products was passed and ready for shipment.